At least, where are we?
Seymour's at the
Seymour's?
seas. Sorry, the seas.
Who's Seymour?
The seas with Nemo and friends. Sorry, I got the wrong name.
The Seymour with thieves and friends.
That's right.
Okay, let's go take a look at this.
Bye.
No, you're coming with us. You're not coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. Mask on.
Yes, let's gotta get those masks on.
Here we go.
So just so you can know, at any time you can pause the screen and you can still look around. So give that a try. Welcome back. Uh-oh, looks like we're getting wet. We're under the water. Ooh. Wow, we're just getting in here real quick, aren't we?
Yep, really fast.
Look, fishies. They made a lobster. Wow, we're just flying through this line. Except for Lee, she's way back there. Bye, Lee. Hello.
Welcome in, right away.
Yay, another line. Line, line,
Line,
Line,
line, line, line, line.
Okay, we're good. We're good, Lise. We're good. We're two. Woohoo! This is going to be very, very, very intense, isn't it? You were upside down.
You look good. You look good. You look good. Merry Christmas.
He's lost Nemo again.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
There he is. There's Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now. Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go. Don't worry. Just keep your eyes open.
There's Nemo.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo.
where?
Oh, this is scared, guys. This is scared.
I love games. Now, see this. Looks like a little
Jellyfish.
right.
What are we into now?
I don't know.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish.
No, not jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Please don't pee on me.
Games.
Games. I love games. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Look, I'm scared now.
Oh, there's a big guy. There's a big guy. Yikes.
Stop fooling around!
Oh. Is that guy gonna get him? Is that guy gonna get him? Oh. Oh, we're stuck.
Stop.
I think I see sharks.
Yeah.
And she's doing meaner.
Yeah.
I think there's a shark coming at us.
So too.
Whoa. You stay in there.
Mate. Fish are friends for food.
Yes, that's right. Bruce, be nice to us.
I wonder if clownfish taste.
Okay, wonder if clownfish tastes funny. Uh-oh, we're gonna go for a turtle ride. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude.
Get the rider, dear. Chase offspring. Awesome. Explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yeah!
Look, there's Dory. In a real tank.
Oh, there's another for me.
In the big blue world.
We're heading to the big blue world. It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? Big blue world.
It's me.
Look, it's
Where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I could amuse your friends.
There's the reef. What'd you think? There's a big tank in there.
Taking there.
Welcome back, friends. Please watch your step. Move all the way to your right-hand side. Watch your step. Move all the way to the right-hand side.
All right, hon. That was Finding Nemo. What'd you think?
That's awesome.
Make sure you watch your step. No problem.
Whee! There you go, guys. That was Finding Nemo.
That's awesome.
I think we found him.